Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Breeze Hill Elementary School, home of the Coyotes in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. And this is my third visit to campus, my first of this school year, 2023-2024. And, just an honor to come back here. So many students, when I was walking in, setting up, they're like, Mr. Peace is back. We're so happy to see him. This is awesome. We remember you from last year. And, they might not remember every story, every video, every song, but they always remember your heart. And that's something I always push, especially in today's program, which was focused on bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart, right? Being able to see someone the same way that you see your best friend. And our heart is big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, kindness, compassion fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign, right? One finger is ourself. The other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one word, one action, one heartbeat, one breath, we can actually lift someone up higher than the clouds, so it stays in their heart in a positive way for the rest of their life. Or conversely, we can say something so mean that it stays in their heart in a very negative way forever. And knowing that whatever we go through or have gone through or will go through, that we always have a choice to show that love versus the hate, that's a huge life understanding to get at a very young age. And a couple of students came up to me almost in tears and just said, Mr. Peace, I gotten pushed down this one time by this boy, but I ended up telling the teacher, I said, that's fine. It's not tattletaling. It comes down to your physical safety, right? And you can always perpetuate the problem by fighting back, or you can do the opposite, right? I always say hurt people, but healed people heal people. And to be the latter is what we're trying to achieve, right? That yes, it's the easier thing to throw the punch or say something mean. It's harder to forgive, right? But we rise by lifting others, rise ourselves too. And a lot of students come up to me today and say, Mr. Peace, my heart got bigger just from hearing you, and thank you so much for your kindness. Like, you saved me, you changed my life. And that's beautiful. And I said, look, if something did touch your heart, now it's up to you to go share that gift with other people that really need that really need that kindness, right? And if it did touch your heart, that means you have a big heart too, right? So we go and keep sharing that. We keep spreading that love, because this world definitely needs more human kindness. Also, we need to remember not only just look at someone's heart first, but see everyone as miracles, like the M on all of our hands on the front of my shirt. I traced one of my M's here. We have at least one in each hand, and that M stands for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. But the idea is that, so many students that I still speak to, even adults, these negative beliefs, these overcoming limiting beliefs becomes a really hard task in their life, because a lot of times we just really hear that negativity. And that kind of builds on when I came last year talking about positivity, talking about respect, self-respect, and respect to others. But the idea, again, is that if we can, get past, some of that pain that might still be resurfacing, then we're able to, continue to go on and be all in for this planet, because every word, every action means so much, right? Bullying is a repeated over and over and over type of action on purpose to get power over someone, but the one-time actions, those 2 seconds, can uplift or they can destroy. So always remember that. Remember that you're all beautiful miracles, right? And you touch my heart again. I'll be back a couple more times this school year. Until then, though, and as always, make sure the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.